Good morning, everybody. I want to show you how to synchronize your ClickEdu calendar with your Outlook calendar. Sorry that my ClickEdu is in Spanish and my calendar in Office Outlook is going to be in Spanish as well, but the steps are pretty much the same. To start the synchronization, let's go to this icon at the top right corner when it's your name, this white man figure inside a black square. You click there, and from these different icons, you click on the cloud one, and you will see two choices, Google or Microsoft. In this case, it's Microsoft. In my case, ya conectado is ya I'm connected. Sometimes you can be connected, but the second step hasn't been done, so your synchro is not really working. So, or another scenario is that you are disconnected. I'm going to disconnect myself, and you will see your profile like this. In both cases, you can contact me and I will help you out. If this video is not good enough or self-explanatory for you, you click on connect again, and then they will ask you for your email account to be identified. You click on your samples email account, they say it's correct, so now it shows I'm connected. So the second step, going again to this white silhouette inside the black square, and click on the second item, the one similar to the settings icon in a mobile phone. Click on the settings, and I will get my email account from samples. I need to enter the password and repeat the password. Need to be the password for entering your Office 365, your Microsoft email account from samples. The password need to be the same in both. If it's a mistake, the synchro will not work. So I click and I enter my password. First time, I repeat, second time, and accept, and it will tell me the web email has been configured. Apparently, it's okay. Click on there, and how can I check it's okay? I go to Calendario, Calendar in ClickEdu, and create a new event. I go here and I call it test because I'm just testing. Here, a date is for tomorrow, 5th of October. Display, event with time, evented time. What time? 11 in the morning, for example. 20 minutes length in the meeting, and then click on save. But how can I know that it's right? It appears here in ClickEdu. Well, how can I know? I go to my email account, Outlook, and go to my calendar. Click on the icon. I go to the 5th of October. See, at 11 a.m. there was a meeting in ClickEdu, and the meeting has been reflected through the synchronization in my Outlook account. Then both calendars, ClickEdu and Microsoft, are synchronized. The steps are completed. In case you have issues, please feel free to contact me at my email account in the school, alvaro.villan@samples.es. Feel free to reach me, and I will be pleased to help you. Thank you for your attention.